This is funny. The crows are going right up to Mama Boots, the cat. She's trying to wake up this morning. The crows. It's funny how they're not, afraid of the cats at all. I think they know the cats aren't going to actually bug them. Here's Mr. Gray Cat right here. Anyway, Mr. Gray Cat. Hi, Mr. Gray Cat. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. This is funny though. You just don't. They were right up actually next to her too. And she just laid there. Yeah. They love the carobs from the carob tree. There's my neighbor with a giant dog.